Hi there, it's Tracy Lizotte, back again to share with you another video from one of my art shows. This time I'm in Scituate, Rhode Island, one of my favorite fall shows. In today's video, I want to share with you how I hang my artwork. This is a common question I get asked all the time and thought I'd make a video showing you exactly how I hang my art so it'll help you when it comes time for you to hang your art at your shows. So I use two curtain hooks. Here they are. These curtain hooks can be bought at Walmart, Target, Home Depot. They come in a pack of 10 for probably $1.99 or so. And when I hang the curtain hooks, they need to go through both my burlap and the flourish mesh panel walls in order to safely hang my artwork on. And it's really important to make sure the hooks go all the way through the flourish panel walls because it's those walls that are keeping the artwork safely hung, not the burlap. I put the burlap over the flourish panel walls just as decoration. I like the way both my black and white frames look against it, so it's just for show. And if you'd like to know more about how I sell my art at art shows, check out the links below this video. And if you'd like to work with me directly, check out my Art Academy. In there, I have a section called the Seller Studio where you can work with me directly.